Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Maynze TV. Today we're going to be unboxing some liver and taste testing it. I am a professional chef, and the first ingredient in professional chefism is butter. Salted butter. We're just going to throw that into the pan here. Let that sizzle up. Oh yeah, oh fuck yeah, sizzle that up. Oh yeah, fuck yeah, make sure the heat's just right. Don't want to burn the butter. Get the oil, pour right in the pan there. Oh yeah, just a drop, just a smudge. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, let's get this onion. Give it a good chop. One good chop. There you go. All right. Now let's put that in the butter. Let's let that sizzle up and get nice and caramelized, shall we? Oh fuck. Oh yeah, that's what I like. That's what Daddy likes. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Take the skin out. You don't want no skin. Don't mess with the skin. Hell nah. Fuck skin, bro. Fuck all skin, bro. There we go. Oh, there's the liver. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Yep. Oh, texture looks fucking disgusting. I already want to die. Oh yeah, give it a good touch. Oh, there we go. Get the seasonings. Got some oregano, pepper, salt, and cayenne pepper. Fuck yeah, boys. Alright, we got her all seasoned up. Let's just splatter around in the leftover seasoning on the cutting board. Make sure we get all the goodness. Oh fuck yeah. Oh fuck yeah. This is it, Chief. This is it. Alright, let's throw it right in the pan there. Remember, away from you. You don't want to get burnt. Away from you. There we go. Now we'll just let her sizzle there for a bit, and then eventually we'll throw in the onions. But let's put some water in the onions, get them nice and soft and tender. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, let those boil. Okay, we're coming back. Is it ready for a flip yet? Is it ready for a flip? Show you a sick flip trick, my guys. Alrighty. Let's get the butter ready. We're gonna throw the butter in the pan. Make it nice and fucking juicy and disgustingly greasy. Oh yeah, that's how I like everything, buddies. Fuck yeah. Oh yeah, this is it. This is it, Chief. Alright. Let's add the onions in. Hell yeah. Now all we gotta do is stir around and plate her up. This is gonna be fucking good. Hell yeah. This is it, Chief. And I say that unironically. Oh yeah. It's getting even better. Oh, it smells so... It smells so good. Oh yeah. Oh. Right on the plate there. Fuck yeah, put the onions on top. Onions on top. They help with the bitterness. I've been told by the fellow boomers from YouTube. Still eat this shit. I don't know why. Maybe it's the pension money. They only have pension money. They didn't save enough for retirement, and now they're forced into eating liver. Poor guys. What's up, guys? Welcome to Zoomer Eats Liver. I think that's what we're calling it. So, I just cooked up a bunch of liver. You probably just saw me do it. My initial impressions when it was uncooked was this is fucking disgusting. I've had sex with a woman, and I've never seen anything that fucking slimy. Oh fuck, oh fuck. Although after cooking it, it wasn't that bad until I tried to chop it in half, and it was like trying to put a fucking fork through a goddamn shoe, bro. I was warned by those old fucking boomers when I was watching videos on how to cook it. Oh god, I've never tried this. Keep in mind, guys, I'm a fucking zoomer. This shit's been outdated. Like fucking, this is Windows XP of meat. Oh god. it's different. It's different, that's for sure. It's pretty good. I mean, oh jeez, I can't do it. No. How do old people eat this shit, bro? No. This is not it. This is not it. Hello, Chief. Do you have a message for my audience? Chief just said this is fucking not it. What the fuck is this? Why does it taste like that? It looks like meat. Almost. Alright. I eat a lot of shitty food. And this... I give it 1... If I was dying of starvation, I'd probably eat the onions off the top, to be honest. It's not a bad idea, actually. Because I am fucking hungry. The good thing was, it was only $2. Yeah. Those onions are good. Oh, fuck yeah. Onions are a 10 out of 10. Oh, yeah. I forgot I just spit on this. It's kind of fucking gross. But still. The onions are just that fucking good. Oh, yeah. Onions are great. Liver 1 out of 10. Trash. Disgusting. Wouldn't eat it. I'm fucking... I can't believe I fucking wasted $2 on that. Anyways, guys, if you want to see more videos like this, smash that like button, hit that sub button, and stay away from liver. Do yourself a favor.